Hello guys and welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm doing a very interesting video. I'll be using my scrap yarn and I have them here with me. This is how much I have. And also I'll be using my knitting machine that I got a while ago. So today I just decided to test it out. I've done a few things. I've done a beanie. Yeah, a beanie, only a beanie. Several beanies, but today I wanna try and make a sweater. I'll begin with these two colors. So I'm gonna be using double yarn just because this is too small. This is too small, so I have to use. I don't want it to be super light, so I'm gonna use the double. Okay, so I've cast on my first row, and now I just want to go ahead and begin making the sleeves. My tension thing broke, so I'm just gonna use my yarn. Sorry. I'm just gonna use my hands to kind of control the tension because the tension thing broke. So. I've just finished my first sleeve and I'm about to cast off to see how this looks. Ooh. So let me just go ahead and cast off, then we'll see how the colors look. Now let me go ahead and make the second sleeve, then I'll show you, but I want it to be similar to this, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. all the pieces. I have the back pieces, these two, the front pieces, and the sleeves. So now I'm just gonna join them together and we'll have our sweater. So let me go ahead and join that, then I'll get to show you what it looks like. So I've been joining my pieces, and so far I love how this looks. I've not done this one yet because there's this line. I had to do this piece and a small one because I don't like this look. I wanted the stitches to look relaxed, just like the ones on the sleeve, so I couldn't just do like one piece. But I feel like there should be another line here just to like balance things out. I really tried my best like to join without any seams showing, and you can see it's pretty seamless. It's just that you can still see the line. You can still see there's a line here, so I want to do it again. But this time round I'll do this as one piece from here to here. Then from here to this part I'll also do another piece, but a continuous piece that runs from the front all the way to the back, so that we will not have this seam here. So we'll just have a seam here, here, and two at the back, and of course for the sleeves. I think that will be much better, because for this I'm impressed with the colors. I just don't like the line. So let me do it again. Second attempt. I'm making a panel for the second attempt. So is the end product. I don't know if you can tell, but there's still lots and lots of ends to weave in because I've not done any. You see the way there's so much colors. I had to cut yarn after several rows, so there's a lot to weave in, so it's gonna take me quite some time. I'll do that later, but I just had to show you this first. Ooh. I love this so much. I still have some yarn left, some scrap yarn left. I think I'm gonna work on something else because this got me so excited, super excited. You see how much ends I have to weave in? Like, this is only one side. You also have this side. We have the sleeves. Oh my god. Okay. We have the sleeves. Gosh, I know it's a lot of work. I hate weaving in the ends because when I do crochet, I usually just do them as I go. But unfortunately for this, I had to wait. But anyway, can you guys see the way that seam looks? I'm just so impressed with myself right now. I love this so much. I mean, you can't even tell. Let me just turn it the right side. I also finished the collar with the single crochet, just a few rows of split single crochet. Just see. And then on the sleeves I did also like 2 rows of single crochet, which you can't really tell because it's the same color. We also and also at the bottom we have like this 2 rows of single crochet. So, and also I'm super impressed with myself. Can you see that joining? Can you see where the joining is? You can't really tell, just that you can see there's a line, but so impressed with myself. I'm happy. Love this so much. The colors, everything. It is so amazing. Let me go ahead and enjoy my sweater. It's actually cold outside right now, so I might even wear it right now. I hope you enjoyed that video and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.